I really love this kitchen. I don't know if you agree with me, but when I'm cooking, I love to have a lot of space, a lot of counter space. So I really like that they included that here. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, HOU Living in Houston. My name is Trisha Shahani, together with my husband, who's also my partner, Sanjeev Shahani, and everyone at HOU.co, we want to welcome you. So for today, we have something really awesome. We're going to do a house-to-house showdown of 2 houses in Jersey Village, Houston. One house is $1.3 million, one house is $850,000. So we're going to let you decide which one you like better. Here we are in Jersey Village, and we're going to show you this amazing house. Come with me as we check it out. We're here in this gorgeous house in Jersey Village, Houston. This house is 1 story. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It has this massive kitchen, as you can see, and it's 2,900 square foot house, 12,000 square foot lot. It's definitely an impressive house. It has a lot of natural light. It has a lot of space. So you'll definitely love this home. I really love this kitchen. I don't know if you agree with me, but when I'm cooking, I love to have a lot of space, a lot of counter space. So I really like that they included that here. And this big sink. So if you're cooking or even cleaning, you know that you need the big sink. So this is really a wonderful kitchen, really well made, has a lot of cabinet space. And as I said before, it has a lot of counter space. So it's definitely every chef's dream kitchen. I know I'd love it. This is my favorite part of this house. This amazing, huge bathroom with 2 vanities. It has its own tub. Like you can just see yourself just soaking in here at the end of the day. And this beautiful shower made for 2 people comfortably. It's just really gorgeous. Looks so clean, so comfortable. And that's definitely not all. You have to check out with me this amazing closet. It's definitely every girl's dream closet. So much space for all your shoes, handbags, dresses. It's definitely a dream closet. Let's check out this house in Jersey Village, Houston. It's truly amazing. This looks like a studio, maybe like a office space. There's definitely a lot going on in this house. I feel I can easily get lost. This looks like a beautiful dining room area, very close to the main doorway. Oh, this is really nice. You can keep here all your wine. I like this, the wine cellar with your wine fridge, and really cool for entertaining. I love doing that. Okay, so here is the kitchen, one of my favorite rooms of the house, as always. Here we have a beautiful microwave, fridge. It looks like it has a lot of good counter space and a lot of cabinets, so that's always a good thing. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, I really like this, the two sink idea. I really like that. That's a really nice kitchen. It's actually right next to like a family room, which is cool because when you're entertaining, it's always nice to maybe have a small gathering, entertain for parties. You have the kitchen there, your guests here, and it has a really cool fireplace as well. Looks very interesting. And very close to the patio as well. We can check that out in a little bit. So this house is a 5,000 square feet house. It's a 38,000 square feet lot. So it's definitely a very big space. Let's check out the rooms. There should be 5 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom. This is one of them. So this one has an attached bathroom. I really like when rooms have attached bathrooms. It's just so convenient and comfortable for everybody. Oh, this one actually has a double vanity as well. Has a huge shower, big space, and a walk-in closet. I really like it. It's very comfortable for anybody who's gonna stay in a secondary bedroom. This is definitely a big bathroom. I love this huge shower. It's really cool. Let's check out the rest of the bedrooms. This is another one of the secondary bedrooms. So this bedroom has a walk-in closet as well, which is good. Everybody needs their space, that's for sure. And it has an attached bathroom, but I believe, okay, so this bedroom has an attached bathroom, and it's an attached bathroom with another bedroom as well. So it's 2 rooms here with 1 bathroom. Okay, at least it has like a double vanity as well, so that's also very comfortable. This bedroom actually has a pretty big walk-in closet as well. I'm actually really liking this design that it has like each bedroom has its own walk-in closet. It's very convenient. And I guess this space can be used either for another bedroom or maybe even like a study or an office. So this is the fourth secondary bedroom. It also has its own walk-in closet. So this one doesn't have an attached bathroom, but it does have a bathroom right next door. It's a smaller, it's actually a half bath. So it just has the sink, the bathroom. It doesn't have a shower. I actually prefer the other bedrooms that have the attached bathrooms for sure. It's way more comfortable. So let's check out the primary bedroom. So this bedroom, off the bat, I can tell you, it's like its own private oasis for sure. You can see here the bathroom, it's a full bathroom with double vanity. I love this tub design, it's really cool. The only thing I wish it was like maybe not as close to a shower, but I guess it's kind of convenient that you can get from the tub to shower easily. So let's keep checking this room out. It's a really big room. It has one huge walk-in closet right here. Has a lot of space for all your things, all your clothes, handbags, purses, shoes. And oh, it looks like there's more closet space right here. This is actually very convenient because you can hang maybe things that you're not going to use regularly here and things that you use more regularly there. So maybe like your winter coats. So that's pretty cool. And here, finally, the bedroom. So here you can see it's a really big bedroom. It has a lot of space. And what I love about it, it's actually attached to the backyard. So you can just get out of the room, go straight to the backyard, and maybe start your day with the sun in your face. This is a really stunning backyard. I love that it's all fenced, so you have your privacy, and in case it's raining and you want to be outside, it has this ceiling right here. It's a really high ceiling, so it's very convenient.
So, since we're talking about Jersey Village, Texas, we decided to check out their website. It's www.jerseyvillagetx.com. We're gonna write it down below in the description so you can check it out. It's a very interesting website. As you can see, it showcases a lot about the city. It's a very well made website. It also showcases that this is one of the top workplaces in 2022, according to a Houston Chronicle. What I found really interesting, if you go to economic development and you go to a tab that says incentives, so it showcases different incentives for both people who want to move there, meaning residents, and different business owners. So let's go down, check out what they're offering as an incentive. You'll see here that they have sales tax reimbursements. So here it says the city may enter into a reimbursement agreement of up to 80% of the sales tax generated. Generally, length of the reimbursement agreement will not exceed 10 years. A minimum of 100,000 and new annual sales tax revenue for the city should be generated to be eligible for sales tax reimbursement. I think this is something really incredible, definitely worth checking into if you decide to maybe open a business there. And the other one I noticed was property tax reimbursement. So here was really incredible. You can see it says the city may enter into reimbursement agreement of up to 100%. You can see that 100% of the property tax generated for the city of Jersey Village, excluding other taxing districts. Generally, the length of the reimbursement agreement will not exceed 10 years. A minimum of $1 million in new property value for the city should be generated to be eligible for property tax reimbursements. I think that's something definitely if you're thinking of moving to Jersey Village or someplace near there, it'll be worth checking out. So we hope this information was valuable to you.
So there you have it. Two amazing houses. Both have so much beauty to offer, so much convenience, and really a lot of space in each one of them. It's all about what you prefer and which one you like. So remember, whether you're moving to Houston in 9 days or 90 days, we're here for you. Till next time.